Hello friends and welcome to this video. So super happy to be back with another haul video. So this is going to be a branded earrings haul. Not all of the items are branded. I did include two pieces from Meesho which are not at all expensive. So stay tuned and let's get started. Alright, so the first item is this beautiful earring. So this is how it looks. It's from the brand called Tokyo Talkies and Rubens Fashion Accessories. The price that currently the price is around 1,990, but I did get it at a discounted rate from Myntra because there are a lot of sales going on. So definitely, like, the quality is just too good. Like, if you are looking to invest in a good piece of earring, I would definitely recommend this. This is very versatile. It would go with both your Indian or ethnic wear as well as Western wear. So I'm going to put a clip of me, wearing it so that you get a glimpse of how it actually looks. Alright, so the next earring is this one. This has, you'd see a lot of stones, very intricate work. And this is one of my favorite earring. This is from the brand called Rubens. The price currently is 1,850, but again, I didn't pay that much. I got it during sale at Myntra. So if you like this, and this is like one of the earrings I have already worn like 3-4 times. The quality, like, there is, it doesn't get dark or anything, and just avoid perfumes and all. But yeah, so this is like really nice, and if you like it, definitely I would encourage you to wish list it, and whenever there is any sale going on, definitely you can get it. I think I got it around 800-900, yeah, 800-900, around that price range. So again, I'm going to insert a clip of me wearing this so that you get a view of how it would look. Okay, so this next earring is this one. Like, this is, I'd say, in this haul, my favorite, the prettiest one. This is from a brand called Lika by Nykaa Fashion. I got this one during Nykaa Fashion sale that was going on. I think it is still going on. So if this is available, like, out of all the 5 earrings I'm going to show you, I'm definitely going to, say this is the best one. Like, it is just too cute. You can see, and I'm also gonna put a link of put a clip of me wearing it so that you get a view of how it looks. And this is very light. Like, you would have no difficulty whatsoever wearing it, given the fact that we have to wear mask. Like, I prefer to wear something light, which is not too heavy on my ear. So this one is like perfect. And yeah, so this is how it looks. Okay, so before I go to the next earring, just like to mention the price of this one was 247 rupees. I got it at a very discounted rate. So I'm going to be putting the link on the description box below. If this is available, I would highly encourage you to check this one out. This is really good. Okay, so now let's move on to the next earring, and the next earring is this simple earring. Okay, so I hope you can make out. So it's this geometric shape. It's gonna look like this. So I'm gonna be putting a clip of me wearing it so that you guys get an idea. So good thing about this is super light, so it's very easy to wear. The only bad thing is it doesn't have those clips at the back to tighten it up or secure it in place. So you would have to use the clip of other earrings that you have. So other than that, this one is also very good, and the price of this is, I have written it down, let me just see. The price of this is 197 rupees, and I'm going to be putting the Meesho code in the description box below. Now we come to the last earring of this haul, which is this one, the one that I'm wearing. So you may think that this is super heavy, but this is, like, out of all the earrings, this is the lightest, and that's why I'm wearing it. So yeah, so this one also I got it from Meesho, and again at a very affordable price. I got it at 211 rupees, and I have also worn this earring multiple times because of the fact it is super light, and yeah, it looks quite good for the price that I have paid. So that's about it. So that's all the 5 earrings that I wanted to show you guys in this haul. If you liked the video, do give me a thumbs up and do subscribe to the channel for more similar videos. With that, I'm gonna end this video here and I shall see you soon on my next video. Until then, bye bye.